quantum theory offers a very different explanation of our world. The universe is made of 12 particles.
At the time of 1915, something broke out in Einstein's mind. Something that left the world and mankind with totally a new era of physics. So what he did is that he proposed one of the biggest theory of all time, the general theory of relativity. So we're gonna discuss this theory a lot in this series, but let's get everyone on the same page. So when we are discussing about really high masses like planetary vision, the physics that come into act is known as general theory of relativity. When we are looking at extremely low masses like atoms or protons, fractions of atoms, okay, so that the physics that come into act at that time is known as quantum mechanics. Quantum mechanics have quite a lot to say, so we're not gonna discuss it in a much details in this series. When we are looking at really speedy things like speed of light or warp drive, most have seen Star Trek. So the physics that come into act at that time is known as special theory of relativity, which is by the way also given by Einstein in 1905. So we are going to discuss this general theory of relativity with very detail in this series, and we're going to discuss it both theoretical and mathematical way. So there won't be any problem according to me. So without wasting any time, let's start with the series.